Hi everyone, it's been a while since I've been on recording anything, but lots of things have been happening in such a while. So today I've come on to just show you my pre-order from the new mini catalogue. Those of you who are demonstrators already will be able to order the pre-order from the 1st of December, and I'm sure I'll give you an update what I'll order from the pre-order, because you can't order everything. So today I'm just going to show you what I got in my pre-order, because I went to Vienna on stage and that was amazing. So let's get into this nice brown box. As I said, I've had it a while, but I've been away. So as I said, let me show you what's in the brown box. What I ordered on my pre-order. You're gonna like some of these things because it's celebration come January. Those of you are not demonstrators will should be able to order from the catalogue from the 1st of January, I believe. So what did I get? Oh, let's turn the camera to my desk. I've got the Delicate Desert designer series paper. I need some scissors for this. I just want to show you how pretty this paper is. And that's what's on the back. Looks really great, doesn't it? Oh, I should be making quite a few cards with that. And that's the back. Wonderful. It's wonderful. I do like designer series paper and what you can do with it. And that's the other side. Just that looks like grungy looking. Very nice, very nice. And that's what that looks like. That looks really good. And then we've got some beautiful ribbon. This is the kit. So I got the ribbon, which is a flox velvet trim. The light doesn't do any justice, but I hope you can see that. Let's get it out the wrapping so you can get a better look at it. It's not a great day today. It's very cloudy here in Devon. Oh my goodness, that is pretty. So that's what it looks like. It's quite pretty. Then the nice, these are gold faceted adhesive sequins. So I can't wait to see what I do with that. Oh yes. Now Stampin' Up, I've got a new alphabet dies. So these will be around for a while. They do change the design from time to time. I wonder if you're all getting ready for Christmas, because these are some great gifts to here. We can make some Christmas cards and things. Let's show you what. God, doesn't it look nice? Don't the letterings look nice? If you're a scrapbooker, this will be right up your street. Nice, isn't it? And so you get 2 letters. Anything that ain't 2 letters off is M, K, something K, X, So as you can see, these are the alphabet. Then something fancy, I think this is a king set. So it's got lovely wording, you mattered to so many, with deepest sympathy, happy birthday, grateful. That I like the writing on here. May the good you do come back to you. So that's a good stamp set to get. And then also I purchased something fancy dies. So I do like a die set. And these you can make some tags and good inlays with them as well. So I can't wait to use those actually. And because I spent more than £45, £90, £45 when it's celebration in January. Well, if you don't know, celebration, so you get some free items. So these were my free items. Adorable Hour, those who might like colouring. Oh, this is going to be amazing. My friend, it's your day. Hoo, you're so cute. And some more sentiments. And this, it's called Sending Support. Some days you're harder than others. Good luck. It's okay to feel so. So these are good sentiments as well. So I just thought I'd go on there. But you may be interested to know, I can't show you inside the catalogue, but what I can show you, what I got free when I went on stage. Because on stage is amazing. If you're not following me on Facebook or Instagram, these are some of the things I got free, which will be in the catalogue, and I can show you those. Some people only say this leopard print. This is what I got free. This beautiful leopard print type paper. Some of you might like it. Some of you might not. Some people are not into that. This is like gold silvery foil. And that's the back. And then you've got that silvery. That's the back. It's really cool, isn't it? And then this gold reptile. And that's the back. It's cool, isn't it? I don't know what we'll do with that, but I'm sure I'll find something. And that's wonderful. What stamp set? I did get some stamp set. The hand-drawn dots. That was one of the things I got free. And decorative borders. I'm going to have a nice little play. And beautiful happy, which is quite free as well. So I thought I'd just show you my pre-order. I can't wait to show you my pre-order because that is something, a couple of things in there I do want to buy. So bye for now. Let me bring it back to my phone. So sorry that my pre-order is a bit late, but I will be back soon. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and I will show you my pre-order when I order it. I can't wait to show you that and my new project. So my next project, I think I will be making Christmas cards. So that will be following this video shortly. Bye for now.